Hey everybody, it's Sherry. I just wanted to come to you guys with the ISSA. It's a link party number 10. We made a little pizza box. It's called a pay it forward box is what we were making. And I did mine. I'm hoping that you guys can really see this. I don't know, my light is like really off. But what I did is, of course, I made the little pizza box. And then I made a shaker with putting sequins in there on top of my paper, which is a Prima paper. It's just I used all scraps to do this. It was really cool to be able to do that. And so I made a little shaker and I put sequins around in there. And then what I did was I made 2 snowflakes, again out of Prima paper. And then the silver one is just one that paper I had. I'm hoping you guys can see this. It is so gorgeous. With all that metallic on there, it's really hard to see, I think. And then I put a cross on top of the snowflakes and a little tiny just white gem in the middle. Let's see, can you guys see that? There we go, that's better. So that is my pizza box, the outside of my pizza box. And then when you open it up, I put in the bottom of here, I put another little piece of Prima paper. And it's not glued in there because I'm going to switch it out probably. And then in a swap, I got these 2 little teapots. And I wish I could remember who made them for me. I do not remember their name. I am so sorry. Anyway, they're both shakers. And I put those in there just to show you that it could hold like just 2 of these in there. So it's really small. And I'm eventually going to make note cards to put in my box, and I will share those when I do that. But I just wanted something in there while I just uploaded. These are so cute. I love these little teapot shakers. You just shake them up goodies. So anyway, that's my little pizza box for the link party. I hope that everybody can see this really well. All that shininess, and the lighting in my room is not very good, so but it turned out absolutely beautiful. Again, this is the Scradaworld ISSA link party number 10, and it was real quick, really easy to do, and I did it with her while she was doing her tutorial. So I just did it. It was that quick, that easy, and I went way out of my comfort zone. I do shabby chic stuff normally, but this was just really kind of neat. So to pay this forward, I'm going to make some note cards, and I'm probably going to give it to my mail lady because she is an awesome woman and she works so hard for us year round. Okay, that's it. That's all I had for today. I will see you guys soon. Bye.